What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do that. That's my thing now. I'm like, what's up? What's up, fool? Hey, what's up, fool? All right. Not that much action. I know I've been doing a lot of talking, but I have had, I came to a conclusion of what I'm gonna do with these wheels and tires. Like I said in other videos, these are the wrong ones. I got some 22s on the way, some 22s from a Yukon on the way. Now, like I said before, I got suspension stuff that I gotta do. I gotta do the pitman arms, the idler arms, the tow rods, you know, ball joints, everything of that nature. Then I can go ahead and start doing, I gotta fix the, replace the front diff actuator. But these tires are a little small. I was gonna put some Patagonia, some Milestone Patagonias on here, which is like an all-terrain mud tire kind of thing. But now I know what I'm gonna do. On the 22s that I'm gonna get, that will be the Goodyear. Goodyear makes an all-terrain that's pretty decently priced, so I'll go with those on the 22s. It was a real big debate because I don't know if I wanted to go with a Toyo open country like my boy Jesus told me to get, or the Nitto grapplers on the 22s. But I think the all-terrain, the Goodyear 22s would be a good midway point. And then on these, the 16s can be dedicated mud tires. So that's what I'm gonna do. There was someone mentioned that, you know, don't get rid of the stock wheels, and I was like, you know what, I really don't want to get rid of the stock wheels. I kind of like the old school look of them. I even got some stuff to clean up, some scuff pads, some polishing kit or whatever. So the 22s I could ride around clean. If I gotta come across some dirt or a trail or something like that, or rain, mud, whatever, I can use it. Then if stuff really gets to popping off, I can put some Fat Boy mud tires on this one. So that way I don't have to worry about tread life, doing this, being on a full-time mud tire. It's not gonna matter. 22s, looking good. The 16s, straight up mud tire, bogging deep, all that kind of stuff. I can't believe I just said that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So now I need suggestions on a dedicated mud tire. And I'm not talking like mud boggers or anything like that, but I'm leaning towards the Patagonias on here, because the Patagonias are like a mud tire, all-terrain tire, and they're super cheap for a 16 rather than trying to get them for a 22. So I'm gonna slap those on here. The weather is real nice and shiny, summertime, you know, put the 22s on. Then when it's time to ride out, or, you know, if the snow comes back again, or we get some really heavy rainfall and mud and all kinds of other stuff, or I'm gonna take this thing to a trail or go hog hunting or whatever, I could put the 16s on here. Then when I want to take it and actually use it for road trips or go fishing or whatever kind of unnaturally Hispanic culture thing that I would do, I'd put the 22s on there. And I think that's what I'm gonna settle down to and do. That way I get the best of both worlds. That way I can have all-terrain that has good on the street with the 22s, and if I need to, I can use them, whatever. Then if, like I said, we get into some really deep crud, then I can put the mud tires on here. Look at this. I'm noticing more and more from when the freaking dog chewed the running board. I'm freaking pissed about that. But like, what is this even like? I feel like there's like more coming. Like, it's weird. But yeah, these Milestar garlands are like the super cheap. They're not like the best. I have gotten stuck in mud, and I've almost gotten stuck in mud twice, which is not good. I wanted to go shooting with my homeboy, and then we went to a trail. It was like, you know, they got like 18 acres, and then I drove it, and then I got stuck, and I managed to get out because the tires were doing like 80, and then I was able to, you know, get on up out of there. But that's what I'm gonna do. Mud tires on the 16s, on the 22s. We're gonna go with the nicer all-terrain, be a little bit more nicer on the street. Because with the mud tires, the thing, I don't want to compensate for the mud tires. If they're gonna be mud tires, they're gonna be all the way mud tires. So, and from what I've been seeing, the Patagonias do really good. So that way, if I do get a mud tire that's super noisy, I don't care, because I got the 22s that I can put on and, you know, faster, and I don't have to have that worry or just doing 80 on the freaking highway just the whole time, you know. I'm not going to be doing that kind of stuff. But that's where I'm going to be at. That's what, a little bit of an update on that. I'm actually going to perform these things. I'm just waiting for a few things to freaking fall in place. Then I can start doing this kind of stuff. And then these stock tires, I'm gonna sell them. Whoever wants them, let me know. I don't care. These are, if you're in the Central Texas, these are a 255 70/16. If you know anybody that wants them, hit me up on Instagram. Come pick them up. I'll give them to you when these things are off. I'll give you a good deal. Never done any burnouts. Never done any burnouts. And yeah, we can do that. And that's, I feel better about doing that, because I didn't want to compensate on the 22. If I go with it on the 22s, I didn't want to be like in between, get like a half-ass tire, then I'm still stuck. I can't do anything with it. And I didn't want to put a mud tire on the 22 because it's freaking expensive, and there's no real point. So if I get a good meaty 22 that'll last a while, do me good, won't have to really have those dedicated for getting stuck anywhere. But you know, then if I have the 16s on there, want to go somewhere, go to a trail or do something and have some fun, then I could put the 16s and go put them to work, because obviously these are not getting you out of any mud situation at all. You can see there's a straight highway tires, not doing anything. I mean, sure, they'll be quiet and do good on the highway, but not good for what I want to do, because like I told you, these have gotten me stuck in mud a few times, but the Tahoe prevailed. Oh, sorry, I don't care. Yeah, so nothing against these. I mean, these are good, just not what I want right now. So yeah, that's a little update on that as to what's going on. And in the next video, you'll see I'll start doing stuff and start executing, and then I can finally drive this thing and do what I want with it. Just takes time. Just putting up a few videos, a few ideas out there to get this going, and then we can finally show the world what a two-door can do. So I'll see you guys on the next video. This is me and the two-door. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more of this stuff if you haven't seen the thing before. If you're new here, I picked it up in Dallas and needed a transmission. Put a trans in it twice. I put it in. And now, you know, I'm rocking it the way it is right now, and we'll keep on going. I would love to put a 5.3 with a built 4L80 and then just go beating the hell out of it. But for right now, gotta take a little baby steps and go and do it this way. And I'll see you guys on the next video.